Are you having trouble activating Internet Download Manager? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix IDM license and registration issues step by step. First, open your favorite browser, Edge or Chrome. Then search for Internet Download Manager. Or, you can simply find the official website link in my video description. Just click on IDM here, and the download will begin right away. My download is taking a little time, so I've increased the speed for you. Please watch patiently. Once the download is finished, click on this folder icon to go directly to the folder where IDM has been saved. Double-click on the IDM file in our folder and install it the way I have installed it. Installation successful, and as soon as it's installed, it will prompt you to add this extension to your favorite browser. You can go ahead and add it. And in the other browsers, some tabs may open. You can close them if you want. Okay, our IDM has been successfully installed. Let's check if my IDM has a license. The video shows that if we don't have a license, we won't be able to download large files like 1 GB or 2 GB. Now, we will start the activation without a license name. This is my official GitHub site. Here, the IDM activation key is in Download Manager script. This is the IDM activation key. I will put the GitHub site link in my video or description. Click on Release here. On the next page, under version 1.0.0, if you scroll a bit down to Assets, you will see downloadmanager.zip. Click there and the licenses will be downloaded. Our file is in a zip folder. It needs to be extracted. You can extract the zip folder using WinRAR or 7-zip. I have both, but I will extract it using 7-zip. After extracting, you will enter the folder and see that there are 4 files. You need to click on the top file to see its name, ias.cmd. Double-clicking on this will start the IDM activation. In this pop-up, there are 3 options. Since we are going to activate IDM, press number 1 on your keyboard. Now, press number 9 on your keyboard. The IDM activation script is being installed. Congratulations! Your IDM has been successfully activated. Now, you'll see, press any key to return, at the bottom of the terminal. Just press any key on your keyboard to proceed. Now, we will go to IDM registration to check if IDM has been activated. IDM has been successfully registered. Now you can easily download any large file you want. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe.